Good morning, Goinkans. Hope you're doing well. So, today we'll be discussing the next step that we need to carry out for preparing the soil before any kind of cultivation, that is leveling soil, from your science textbook, chapter number 9, Producing Food, page number 41. So, what is leveling and why do we need to go for this leveling? So, my dear Goinkans, first of all, let's just answer the question, what is leveling? So, the loosened soil, or we can say the turned soil, when we try to level it back to its original position, we call it a leveling. And this leveling is to be carried out with the help of a leveler. And as the name suggests and gives us idea what actually leveling is. But the important thing and the important question that comes to our mind is about why we need to go for the leveling. Since we have loosened the soil for certain reasons, and we see that these reasons are very important, then why we need to make our soil back into the original position. So, dear Goenkans, you need to know that this leveling is to be carried out for the distribution of the things uniformly. Say, for example, we know that when we have gone for the plowing, our soil is not evenly distributed. Now there are some chunks which are quite big, there are some chunks which are quite small. So just to crush these chunks of soil into smaller pieces or somehow evenly, and that's why we need to carry out the leveling. And this soil, this even distribution, this uniformity in the soil will help us to distribute the water, distribute the manures, fertilizers, or any other thing that we want to add into the soil easily and uniformly. So the reason behind leveling is for the uniform distribution of the things. Fine. And next to that is very important, that because we know that during the plowing our soil is quite loose enough, that is quite readily available for erosion. We want to prevent that as well. So leveling is very much important to prevent the soil erosion as well. So the two things that we need to know why we go for the leveling is, first of all, the uniform distribution of the things, and next to that, to prevent the soil erosion. So these are the two reasons why we go for the leveling. Now next to that is our sowing. What is sowing? As we know that the sowing is basically putting the seeds into the soil, and we have already discussed it in the Zoom session. But sowing can be discussed. First of all, we have to discuss about the quality of the seeds. How can we just to select the, how can we make selection for the seeds? So for that purposes we can use the previous lessons concept, that is density. As we know, density is a concept that helps us to know about the good quality and the bad quality of the seeds. How, as already discussed with in the previous sessions, about the density helps the things which are quite heavier to settle down in the bottom, and those which are not heavier or which are lighter in weight, they float. So here, though the seeds which are quite good in quality, they are good in weight, as a result of which they settle down at the bottom. Rest of the seeds which are not good in quality, they float. So the seeds which are at the bottom can be easily used for the sowing. And there are different ways of sowing the seeds which will be discussed in the next session. That's all for today. Thank you so much for joining me.